Hello, TW and Company HVAC specialists. My name is Brian, and I'm with Mr.Edge Digital Marketing. And as per our conversation on Friday, I'm going to give you 3 free things that you can do to help get your website ranked on Google. All right, the 3 things that we're going to be talking about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citation. Now, content is just that. Google typically likes to see about 2,000 words on your front page. You currently have about I do this word counter. You have about 438 words on your front page. Another thing Google likes to see, I like your website, I like the layout of it and everything. Another thing Google likes to see, if I come in here and click your picture and hit save as, okay, you got it as air conditioning. That's good. That's a key word. So that was going to be one of the things I was going to suggest. You go in here and you name your pictures, put keywords behind your pictures. Heating, that's a keyword. Geothermal, I don't think that people are going to be searching for geothermal, so I would go in there. If you're trying to get ranked in Asheville, I would put Asheville Heating and Cooling. I would name that picture as Asheville Heating and Cooling. That's going to be a keyword and it's going to help get you ranked on Google. Now, the way I found you, I went on Google and just typed in heating and cooling in Asheville, North Carolina. Your page came up, I think, on the 3rd page of Google. Now, typically where you want to be is right here in this number 1 spot. This is your organics. So these guys made it here the good old fashioned way. This right here is your map pack. This is even easier to get you ranked in. Um, all the map pack is citations. And we talked about citations earlier. Citation is basically anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly how you have them as per Google, as per your Google business profile. Now there's thousands of directories on the internet, and we can go out here and reach a lot of them. Directories are places like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, and so on and so forth. So this is the easiest place to get you ranked. And when you Google something like heating, air conditioning, Asheville, people are usually going to go with either this number 1 spot or this number 1 spot. This number 1 spot is going to be easy to get to too. Now you see who's in this number 1 spot right here. It's Mike's Heating and Cooling. Now let's compare your site to his site. I'm going to come back to yours. This is yours. We already know you got 438 words on your homepage. I pulled up Mike's site right here. Now Mike, somebody done his the same way. They went in there, named their images. AC Repair, Asheville, North Carolina. And then he's got Mike's Heating and Cooling. So he's got a couple of keywords behind that one picture. That's pretty good. Same thing I would do with your website. He has on his homepage, he's got 1,440 words. Remember, I said about 2,000 words. That's what Google likes to see. Now, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks is another thing that's going to help get you ranked. Now, it says right here, excuse me, you have 319 backlinks. Let's check out Mike. Now, remember, not all backlinks are created equal. And I'm going to show you why, because you have 319 backlinks. This DR score right here should be way higher than a 0 with 319 backlinks. Your DR score is basically how much trust Google has in you and your backlinks. Now, with your backlinks, you're a heat and HVAC service, so you don't want a backlink to be on, say, pizzahut.com backlinking back to your site. You don't make pizzas. You're a HVAC service. So backlinks is kind of like other websites verifying and saying that your website's cool. So they want to be a part of your website. So it's like a popularity contest, really. Let's go over here and look at Mike's. Mike's he's got a lot less backlinks, but look at his DR score. You got 319 with a DR of 0. Mike's got 291 with a DR of 4.3, which isn't bad. It's a quick and easy fix. I mean, it's just a matter of going in there and getting the right backlinks. Well, the good thing about it is, along with this tool costs me about $400 a month. This is the only one of the paid tools that I have. I can go in here and look at what backlinks Mike's using, and guess what? I can replicate his backlinks on your site. And then, along with the other backlinks that I also have with working with other HVAC companies, it'll be no problem with getting the backlinks that we need to get you ranked. So the three things we talked about today were your citations, backlinks, and content. Those are the three free things that I have. If you're already working with somebody, I would have them go on there and work on those three things, and that's going to help. It's going to help your site out tremendously as far as getting it ranked on Google and get you more traffic out of Asheville. If you want to work with me, we can set up a discovery call. This is my number, my name, and this is the company I work for. But that's all I have for you. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future.